Hello guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to talk about switch statements. So let's get started by creating a variable. I'm going to call it number. Okay, we're going to read some data from the keyboard, enter a number. Let's do this. Let's use the scan function to read this number. Okay, so here we go. So we've seen if statements. Now we're gonna see the switch statement. So the switch statement is quite easy to understand. You just need to use the switch, and we're gonna use some variable, in this case number, and we can create different statements for each case. So we'll create a case. For instance, if the number is 0, we're gonna print you've entered 0. So semicolon, we need to add a break to end this statement. Let's add a case for let's say 1. printf you've entered 1. Okay, let's type semicolon again. So pay attention that I need to add another break, and we have the default, so you guys can see. I don't know what number you typed. Okay, so there we go. Break again. So let's go back and see. So we have this variable number. We've read that into we would have some number into that variable, and we got a switch statement. So the switch statement is quite fast compared to the if statement, because it only applies if that statement is true. So if you have to do equal value A equal B, you pretty much just need to use a switch instead of an if statement. So let's compile and execute to see the output. Let's do this. Let's see how the output is. So I'm gonna type 0. You guys can see you've entered 0, the first case. Let's run again. I'm gonna type 1. You entered 1, as you guys can see. Let's type another number like 5. So I don't know what number you've typed. So you guys can see it's quite easy to understand. We're gonna use this later on. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys next time.